going now.
You missed it, but he got it.
Wayne and I are sitting here this morning. We're trying to come up with our plan to fix the pond that is not draining. Well, it's draining, but very slowly, because a lot of organic matter from the soybeans last year we've gotten over 10 inches of rain now, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, over 10 inches of rain since this corn's been planted has washed its way into the ponds. So I brought the speedboat with me, and we're gonna go for a little loop and see if I can poke it free. I don't know, it's never plugged before, so we don't have really a plan to unplug it, but we're gonna work at it as soon as Bandit gets done being tired playing fetch. So come here, bud. We'll tire him out slowly. Got him.
Got it on the fly.
Stick around, we'll see if I end up in the water. So essentially what we're doing today is our pond is flooding because it's not letting any water out of the overflow tube. Well, it's letting a little bit of water out. So the overflow tube's gotten clogged with who knows what. Around it right now. Hello, it's Ben. Yeah, I was on one of your job sites recently, huh? Yes, I'm still here. What a job was I applying for? Oh, you're a career coach. I need a career coach. Oh, I'm looking for a high-paying job that I don't have to do any type of work. You got any of those? Okay, you do have some of those, or no? Can't. Oh, okay. Do I have to do any work? If I have to do any work, that's definitely not going to be a job for me. Doesn't sound like you do. Telemarketers. Well, that's a telejobber. He's trying to get me a job. He's an employment specialist. Do you get employment specialist calls? Just car insurance calls? Right there's the bench that you're supposed to be able to sit in and look at the pond. It's usually supposed to be like here. But right down there is the overflow part. That thing be running full if it was running correct. Now the question is, since we don't have that marked, how do we find a way to dig it out or unplug it? Oh, this is a steep hill. I think we gotta go get the boat. We gotta find this thing because it's tearing things up here, and if it rains and goes over that dam, it's gonna make a mess of that dam. I said, but I'm gonna have to take my pants off or something and find a way to get into this water, or I don't know. That water's gonna be cold. It's probably only like 60 degrees. Oh, I don't know. We'll figure something out. Worst case scenario, you guys get to see me fall into the water. We've been out here trying to do this for 20 minutes now, and we're having no success at all. It's like the actual shoreline's somewhere out here, and the water's really pushing the wrong way. I keep going into the bank. So we've decided that I either A, got to get in the water, B, go buy a pump to pump this out, which that doesn't sound like it's going to work. C, find somebody with a snake long enough to go up the pipe. That's a possibility, but then it could just turn around and clog again. Or I think option D was do nothing and just see what happens with it. But I think I'm gonna be getting in the water, so this will be fun. So as I was taking the belt off, Wayne came up with the next plan. Don't know if it'll work or not, but we're gonna give it a shot at least. I'm gonna go get my portable air compressor and some stuff in the generator. We're gonna go down there to the pipe where I showed you guys the water was trickling out of, try and plug that and see if we can put enough air into it that maybe bubbles start rising up a little bit where the outlet to that, or the intake from the pond is. And then that would give us an idea where that's at, and versus just sitting there trying to poke it. We're gonna see if that works. Don't know if it does, but I'll give that a try before I have to get into 60-degree water and feel around with my feet. But we're gonna try that. So here's the plan. We're gonna take the generator, the power of the air compressor, take the blanket, plug the hole, see if we can put enough air pressure into that hole that bubbles show up there. If that works or not, we don't know. We're gonna try. We're set up. We'll see if this works. Crap, I don't think that's working. I'm not seeing any air pressure coming, air bubbles coming up. I was really thinking we'd see a couple, but I really don't see anything. Unfortunately, that means I'm getting in the water. Oh boy.
Is it cold?
Yeah. I might be rethinking this idea. That is bone chilling cold. So it's deeper, like right in there. It's like right at the edge of the rock. There's something here.
Okay, just a piece of
Oh, that's it. Oh. Woo!
Woo!
Oh.
I didn't know you would do that.
That's definitely it.
I think it's right over in there.
No, I grabbed it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, it's just a pipe, right?
Yeah, with a piece of metal on that.
Yeah, that's definitely it.
Can you grab it? It's too muddy to see.
Yeah, I know.
Oh man.
That doesn't feel like it's blocked.
We can always repair it.
I know, but I'm thinking it might be better to try and get it rotoed. I'm thinking that's the action now. We decided that it was going to be like 200 bucks to get the roto-rooter guy come out, so today's Saturday. Just came out here after I got done doing a few things. My dad and I engineered that idea to get the tube unplugged, and that's what you're going to see now. We broke it loose.
That's a big fish.
Oh yeah, that's going now.
We'll have to cut that out. What?
She's going now.
Can you feel it?
Yeah.
What?
Oh. Oh.
Hang on.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's good.
This is the redneckish thing I have ever done in my life. Well, witnessed, I guess. Got it? Oh my god.
Huh?
Oh my god.
What does it look like down there? Huh?
It's like a river. Oh god. We did it, Etsy.
Here's how we got it undone. PVC pipe, snake, garden hose on a septic pipe. And we got it unplugged. It's done. Here we are sitting here like we started the video, talking about how we got the pipe unplugged. We got kind of lucky that we did that. It was going to probably be $200 to $300 to have the Roto-Rooter guy come out. So I'll say thank you for watching. What do you
Subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
say? See you later.
See you later. Did a good job.
Bye.
See you on the next video.
Go up to him. Go.